So this is the children's school website that we can create on WordPress. Welcome to another website design review video where we will be reviewing this website features and forms and pages, and it will give you an idea how you can create your children's school website with WordPress. Let me just get started and we will be enjoying this website soon. Alright, so this is our first homepage of this. If you can see, a children's image on the background, and then a unique kind of font has been used in this style. You can use your choice font and these kind of cartoons as well. Moving forward, you can add more learn more button and contact us button at the front page, and then on the next tag you can tell people about what you can do for their kids and children's. And then moving forward, you can share about what is included if they register their children with your school. And then on the next thing, you can share your services and how you facilitate your customers, I would say the parents of your children's. And then you can share more about how you can make it more effective for their children. And then last but not the least, you can tell more about the extra classes that you are providing, and a contact form and number of students that you have enrolled and the classes you have been conducting. And you can also add a beautiful image gallery like this, so people can come to your website and visit your image gallery and see how does it look like when they enroll their children to your school. You can add some high quality images which will create a very good influence. So this kind of footer will be very unique and very different from the market that I have seen so far. And then about us page is same, in the same theme, and other pages are as well are there. You can tell people more about the reasons they need to join you, and share more about your blogs, and then these kind of things you can share on the about us page for this website. And also moving forward, they have a lot of different pages like services page and the staff page and classes page. We're gonna look at each one very quickly so you can look at the design ideas, how you can create. You can add on your services like a few reasons why people should choose your services, and then a brief history of your details of your services that you're providing at your school. And then again, as we saw on the first page, they have also mentioned the services in this page as well. Then the teachers and staff page you can create for your children's school website. In this page you can tell people about who is the principal and who is your teacher and their qualifications and their expertise, so that people can trust your school better and enroll their children to your school. So this is the classes page, like how many classes you guys are offering to their children, and what kind of fees you're charging, and what options you're providing to your students that they can choose from. This is going to be another page which is the single class detail page. For example, let's say the crafting session. From this page, if we look at the simple page, you can tell people more about how many months is included, what's the age group, how many sessions, and what's included. Again, share the class gallery which people can scroll and see what's included in it. And then last but not least, you can also share about your blog and share more stories of the successes of your students, and share more tips and tricks, what kind of activities your students should be conducting to make them more smarter than others. And then this way you can build a beautiful school website. So if you're looking for anything like this, so my name is Usama, and I am the founder of Usama Web Studios, where we help people in designing beautiful websites for your children's school online academy. If you're a coach, consultant, marketer, web designer, doesn't matter, you just reach out to us and we will help you in getting your beautiful website design in no time. Thank you so much for your time. If you're new, feel free to subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates for website designs and other tips that we are sharing on our channel, and follow us on social media. See you on another video. tomorrow morning my time, and then talk soon. Bye for now.